All right, there's a recording for my geometry students. This is Mr. Schulteis, just letting you know what we did on Monday and Tuesday. That's September 21st and 22nd in class. I'm going to go through this quickly because you can pause it and re-listen to it if you need to. So whether you're in my second period class or my fourth period class, you can click into that class. I'm going to do second period just to show you where and what we were doing. Okay, first of all, we went through the class notebook and just talked about where you can find the week's agenda and the notebook information. It's a little bit slow here. So in the content library, right here, you want to click on that in order to access what my plans are and the notes pages that I will push out to you. We are on week 2, so you can read through the week's agenda. We went through that in class and kind of talked about each of those specific things. The line, ray, segment, and angle Mathia notes is also in there that we worked on together. I filled out the first of 4 sections on a line. You need to use Mathia in order to fill out a ray, a line segment, and an angle. So in order to do that, you need to open Mathia. And in the third workspace, the sample problem, you will see the notes that will help you fill these guided notes out. The directions are actually right here. So you can read those directions and I'll tell you where to go and what to do. Okay. In order to find your notes to fill it out, you need to go to assignments because you will not be able to do anything in the content library. You have to go to assignments and click on Mathia, notes, naming lines, rays, segments, and angles. Once you're in there, you will be able to click on your notebook page and insert your notes by using the draw feature. If you would rather handwrite the notes and then take a picture and upload them, I am fine with that as well. Okay, so once you have your notes open, what you need to do is you need to go to Clever. Carnegie Learning. So you'll have to log in, then you'll go to Carnegie Learning. And then open Mathia. Okay, so that'll look like this. Okay, you should have completed the Getting Started workspace already. So your task is to click on the second module, and then you're going to complete this Introduction to Geometric Figures. Mine says review because I already completed that. You will need to complete that first. Second step, you go into naming lines, segments, lines, rays, segments, and angles. And before you start working through this workspace, which could be a little bit frustrating, okay, I will help you on it with it day 2 of this week if you have questions. But what you're going to do is you're going to click on Sample Problem. And what you will notice is all of the answers, all the blanks to your notes are actually in this sample problem right here. So if you read this first line of the sample problem, a line is a straight continuous arrangement of an infinite number of points. And then you go to your notes in your assignment. I'm going to a different spot than you. But when you go to the assignment and then click your notes, you can read the exact same thing and fill in the blanks. So it says a line is a straight continuous arrangement of an infinite number of points. A line has an infinite length but no width. If you go back to Mathia, a line has infinite length but no width. So you're filling in those blanks. And then it asks you how many points does it take to make a line. You need 2 points. In this example, it's A and B to make a line. And then it asks you 3 ways to name the line. So I helped class go through this during second and fourth period on Monday, Tuesday. And then your task is to go through and fill out the notes for array, a line segment, and an angle. Once you do that, you will turn it in, and when I return it to you, you will be able to see your notes again in your notebook. Okay? If you have any questions, email me or give me a phone call. My email is joesc@spokaneschools.org, and my phone number is 354-6637. I hope this helps.